Hey guys, how's it going? Now, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing the power amplifier, the Bose power amplifier that I had sent off to be repaired. Now, I got the amplifier yesterday. I haven't tested it. I was saving it for today's tutorial. Now, when I got the amplifier, I'm going to be honest with you. I wasn't particularly impressed. The big thing being that the presentation of it, you know, when I open it, there were some little metal filings, presumably from the Torx head screws that hold the case together, and I noticed more importantly that the receptacle that accepts the plugs, there was a crack in a part of it that wasn't there before. Okay, so I'm looking at that and I'm not really happy with that, but I'm going to reserve judgment based on how exactly the amp works. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then we'll have another issue. But prior to that, one of the things that I found that was, I don't know, a little unsavory was when I sent this thing off to these guys. You know, I said to them, hey, look, you know, I have a channel and, you know, this is part of the tutorial, and, you know, they didn't respond to that. Okay, fine. But after they sent it to me, I sent them another message saying, hey, look, you know, I'd like to give you guys a shout out. You know, was there anything in particular that you noticed with the amplifier that you know, basically I could mention to the viewers? And they ignored that as well. Now, it is what it is. They haven't given me their permission to mention their name, so I won't. But based on what I'm, you know, the vibe I got, based on the quality of you know, the visual quality of the work, I'm not really impressed. And, you know, if something like this happens in the future, or if somebody contacts me and wants to patronize them, I don't think I would be willing to do that. Okay, even if the amplifier works, because I'm a big fan of neat work, and I'm not seeing that here with this. But being as it is, let's go ahead and get to the installation. Okay guys, so here we have it. This is the amplifier, and we've already been through the removal process of taking off all the panels and so on and so forth. So I'm going to jump ahead a bit and go right to the installation. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to plug it in. Okay, just plug it in first and test it to see if it works. If it doesn't work, really doesn't make sense, I put it back in. Probably not, depending on what I plan to do. Whether I plan to return it to these guys, send it to somebody else. Oh boy, I really hope this thing works. Seriously. But anyway, let's get into it. Now, as I mentioned before, guys, these clips only go one way. Okay, simple as that. Now let's go ahead and test this, see if it works. Okay. Alright, well guys, there you have it. Sent off the Bose amplifier to be repaired, and it came back, and either it wasn't repaired or that just wasn't the problem. At this point I don't even know which one it is, but I can tell you I'm pretty disappointed. But you know, we move forward, we press forward. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do at this point, whether I'm going to put it back in, or I really don't know. But clearly some troubleshooting has to happen on my side, and I don't know. Like I said, I'm pretty disappointed. You know, what else can I say? But in any event, it was a learning experience, and it was great making this video for you guys. And you know, I'm hoping that as things, you know, go on, I can make, you know, more videos, because these cars are really great cars, and a lot of people have them, and you know, they enjoy them. You know, they're really underrated, you know, and maybe that's a good thing. But I just want to give back to the Mazda 6 community, the second generation Mazda 6 community in particular. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.